So today let's review Havells HD3151 dryer. So this is a really good dryer by Havells and it's a 1600 watt dryer, so means a good air power. Plus the dryer is a foldable dryer, so let's unbox it and show it to you. So here we are back again with the unboxed dryer. So this is a foldable piece. You can unfold it as well, put on the nozzle, fits perfectly. You can rotate it. Plus there is a dust filter, that is a dust filter. You can clean the dust and you can put it back. It's easily fittable. So this hair dryer has 3 buttons. 0 is in off position, warm and hot, and there is a cool shot button as well. So once you start your hair dryer, it's not plugged in yet, so once you start your hair dryer you can press the cool shot button to get a cool air. Actually it's not cool, it's normal air. That may not spoil your hair, so people who are using hair dryer for drying their hair need to use this cool shot button specifically designed for them. Let me start this and show you. So I plugged it on. So I have plugged it on. Let's switch it on. It gives hot air. Let me press this button. The air becomes normal. Yeah, air becomes normal. So you can use this cool shot button with both hot and warm air. Works perfectly. Plus there is this part is given here. If you want to hang your hair dryer, you can use a nail to hang your hair dryer in your washroom or somewhere. It's quite handy for travel. You can fold it and travel as well. That's it for the hair dryer. Thank you guys for watching. Please do like and subscribe.